How to fix open and close problem on Threads app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing you have to do is open the app easily and fast like this, and if it starts closing, or what you want to do is go back and go to the settings on your phone. Go to the apps manager in your phone, click on apps, and now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have in your phone. After that, all what you want to do, just keep waiting and then scroll all the way down until you find Threads app. Click on Threads like this, and now click on Force Stop. Now click here on Storage, click on Clear Cache, and then go back, click on Data Usage. Make sure that all these options are enabled. Go back again and click on Permissions. Make sure that all the permissions also are enabled. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.